I want to show you what I do with broccoli stems. The stuff that wasn't good is gone to composting, but I use these to make a really delicious coleslaw, and I just want to show it to you right now. So here's my little grater. So in the city, I have my Cuisinart has a shredding blade attachment, and that makes life 100 million times more easy. Here I don't have that, so I'm just going to be using an old-fashioned grater, and I'm just going to grate up these stems. And I'm going to do them kind of long. This makes an absolutely delicious coleslaw. Sometimes the stems are a little more fibrous and woody than others, like this one, so I probably won't be able to use all of it. I'm going to kind of stop when it gets too tough to grate, like it's getting kind of tough to grate there. See if I can trim it and get a little more out of it. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm getting a nice amount. I'm going to start moving this to my bowl. So of course, with the Cuisinart, I would be done by now. I'm so my mother's daughter. I try to use up every last bit. Mom, if you're watching, you get me. There we go. The rest of this will go to composting. Now it's time to just grate up a carrot. This is a great topping for fish tacos. If you saw my fish taco video, this is a great topping for fish tacos. All right, that should be plenty. All right, and last, we'll get some chopped onion in here. Make your coleslaw however you like it. It's absolutely delicious. I'll show you how I make mine. Okay, I'm going to show you how I make coleslaw. Now, I do it a number of different ways. Today, I think I'm going to do it a slightly Asian way. I've got onion in there, carrot, and my broccoli stems. I'm going to use just a tiny bit of mayonnaise, and that's a good thing because we only have a tiny bit. And actually, I think I'm just going to make the dressing right in here because there's so little. So we have a little bit of mayonnaise. I'm going to use just a tiny bit of sesame oil for a little Asian flavor. I'm going to use a little orange juice for sweetening. Now, we don't drink orange juice. We love orange juice, don't get me wrong, but we try to only drink water. So this I actually use for cooking, and I use it for salad dressings mostly, like this. And then to this, I'm gonna add a little bit of vinegar. But in this case, I actually have this balsamic vinaigrette out. So I'm just gonna add, well, I should shake it up. I'm gonna add a little bit of this to it, just for the little tang. All right. Probably have way more than I need for this little bit of coleslaw, but that's okay. I can actually keep this in the jar for about a week and dress other ones. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt to this, a little bit of pepper, or a lot of bit of pepper. I actually quite like pepper in coleslaw. And you can flavor this however you like your coleslaw flavored. It's just like coleslaw, except you're using broccoli stems. All right, shake it up a little bit more. Let's give it a taste. Get a little of my finger from the lid. Delicious. It's perfect. It's not too sweet. It's got that nice hint of sesame oil in it. All right, I'm gonna just give this a mix. Now this isn't a heavy mayonnaise-y coleslaw. This is a much lighter coleslaw. All right, I think that should do it. Oh, it smells so good. And this is delicious. Listen, put some of this on one of your sandwiches. Put it in a rice bowl if you're doing an Asian-inspired rice bowl. Oh, here's a big stem. I'll eat it. Delicious. Top a burger with it. Put it on your fish tacos. Absolutely delicious. You won't regret it. There you go. Broccoli stem coleslaw. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you'll like the video. Hit subscribe and tap the notification bell for notifications on future videos. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will catch you next time.